Hey everybody, this is Keith Gleason from Indie Comics Relay. I'm back with another lettering tip video. This week we got the Mighty Mascots comics and yay! So as you can see in my word balloon this week, 4 through 6 is here. Campaign fulfillment will begin this week. We've already sent out a few packages this past weekend, so we're starting to get them out as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So this is a nice page from Mighty Mascots number 5. This is the first page of that issue. And I thought, I just pulled up a random page so we could do some lettering, but here's a peek at the artwork from that first page. So this week on my lettering video, I am doing what they call like a broadcast balloon or electronics device balloon. And usually these are used like when you have like a radio broadcast in the comic, or even like a TV broadcast, or sometimes robots will talk this way. Or even walkie talkies, people where you don't see the other person, but you hear their voice, and you would put them in this balloon so that the reader has a visual cue letting them know that the person talking is coming through like an electronic device or something like that. So I've already laid out the balloon here, and I made this little shape here, which I did with the pen tool. And this is sort of to signify like that it's an electronic device. One thing the way I usually start these balloons is I make this one part here. I don't know what you would call it, like a jaggedy line thing. I guess that's a technical term now. Anyway, so to make it for the entire balloon, I would highlight this with the black selection tool, and then if you hit Control Alt Shift and click down on it, you can copy it and it move it to the other side. And then you go up here, you go Object, Transform, Reflect. And then if you have it set to vertical, and if you hit preview, it's going to turn the object around to reflect the other one. So you hit OK. And then what I would do here is just line it up as close to the balloon as possible. Like probably about right there is pretty good. I'm going to do the same for this one. Bring it in a little more right there. Okay, perfect. So now we got the top ready. So I would take the black selection tool and highlight both of them. And you're going to do the same thing. You're gonna hit Control Alt Shift and click down, on it and pull it down. And it makes a perfect copy of what you just had. And then we're going to transform it again. So Object, Transform, Reflect. This time you have the vertical selected. You're going to hit horizontal, and it's going to flip them around so that it can go like that. And then what you would do here is you would just slide it up as close to the balloon as possible, like that. So it looks like that. So if you pull out, it's it's almost there. We just have to connect them now. But that's sort of what you would do for a broadcast balloon. I might play around with these tips to make them a little more spread out, or things like that, just for the final product. I'm not going to do that now. But what I am going to show you is how to connect these real quick. I know I've done this a little bit in the videos before, but I'm just going to connect one. I'm not going to do all 4. So take the black selection tool, click on the balloon, and you're going to come down here, hit the eraser tool, and find the scissor tool, and you pull that up. And you want to scissor away at where the 2 points are going to meet. So probably about right there. Click that. Same on this side. You're going to try to line it up. Probably right there. Okay. Then you take the white selection tool, go in here and just hit delete twice, and you delete that section out of there. And now to connect them, you go and you just try to click on the 2 endpoints. So see, we got these 2 endpoints. So you hold Shift, you click this one, and then you click this one. And if you hit Control J, it joins them up. And I can see just looking at it's a little off. I mean, you probably wouldn't notice it if you pulled out, but I notice it right here. So just grab it and kind of even it out a little bit. There we go. And then you would do the same thing down here. You click here, you hit Shift, click on the point, click on the second point, Control J, and that'll join them up. And then if you pull out like this, oh, our words went behind the balloon. So to bring the words back, you highlight the balloon, hit Object, Arrange, Send to Back. There's your words. Click on the words, hit Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. There we go. All right, so that's how you connect them and kind of make the broadcast balloon. And then you would go around to each corner and do the same thing that I just did and just connect them all. And then you'd have the broadcast balloon. It's fairly simple. Like I said in past videos, you know, I'm self-taught with these programs, so that I don't know if I'm doing if I'm doing things the most efficient way or the proper way. There's probably shortcuts that you can find. I highly encourage you to not just watch my videos, but go and search the internet. There's stuff on YouTube, other lettering videos, and just kind of watch every one of them and read everything about lettering, and then kind of make your own way on how you do it. You know, I'm gonna guess there's no right or wrong way on as far as technique wise. There are certain rules you should follow when you're lettering. You know, the common rule about, you know, great letterers you don't notice, but bad lettering you do notice. So you want to kind of follow those kind of techniques. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for this lettering technique video. I think the next one I'm gonna do is maybe do like a word balloon. You know, when someone's talking through a wall, or you know, or a window or something like that. You know, and I'll show people how to do that on my next video. But yeah, that's it for this week. Come back to us on Wednesday. We have another live stream. 9 p.m. Eastern on the YouTube channel. We have guest Marvin Wynn, I believe his name is. He's got a comic called The Edge, so it'll be kind of cool to see that. And then another exciting thing is the channel just hit 500 subs, so that's awesome. And if you know anybody that loves indie comics and wants indie reviews and interviews with creators and lettering tips, definitely send them our way. We want the channel to grow and reach new people. So, all right, everybody, thank you for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and we will talk to you soon. All right, bye.